This is a story of the rise and fall of a company known across the world as Premier Percussion. When their London factory was bombed during the Blitz of 1943, they decided to move to a more secure location. They moved into premises on Canal Street in South Wigston, Leicestershire, and became a major manufacturer of all types of percussion, namely snare drums and full outfits of instruments for many of the top orchestras, pop bands and the military, and soon became a major employer. The firm went from strength to strength and soon outgrew their Canal Street premises, so in 1974 they moved lock, stock and barrel into an all-new purpose-built factory on Blaby Road. The name Premier Drum, or the drum as it was known locally, and the factory with its iconic tower displaying its wares, had long been a landmark of Wigston. So you can well imagine the sadness and dismay of the Wigston people at the news that it was earmarked for demolition and to be replaced by a Wickes hardware store and a Lidl supermarket. Demolition work began in August 2017, and the idea was to isolate the iconic tower from the rest of the factory. And this is a story of the demolition of that factory.